Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm deciding whether I want to do the wave or the, so I'm still deciding. Let me know down below. Getting straight to this video, today we are going to be doing an indie makeup subscription unboxing. I will be unboxing 2 indie makeup subscriptions. I want to show you guys what they are, and one of them has already been showcased on my channel before. The other one is fairly new. And with that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and let's go ahead and check them out. So, quick FYI, I tried to film this video yesterday and I already threw out the packaging that they came in, and to be completely honest, something that has been holding me back from uploading videos is that I get really self-conscious of my video, my unboxing skills. Yesterday I just wasn't feeling the unboxing. I was very uncomfortable, and I sometimes I feel like I don't even know what I'm doing, that just no one cares, or I suck at this, but I'm trying my best. I'm trying to, you know, bring it back. With that being said, here are the 2 indie subscription services. Also, if you hear a little snorting in the back, my son is laying down next to me. He has a runny nose and it's a force of habit. I'm low-key losing it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and go with the first subscription, which is my Glamour Doll Eyes. Glamour Doll Eyes retails, I believe, if I get this wrong, I will state the actual prices down below. I believe this retails for $7 a month, and with shipping, you end up paying around $12. This subscription is the OTM, which is of the month subscription, if I'm right, I think. Every month it is themed, and this subscription can range from lip products, eyeshadows, blushes, highlighters, whatever. And this company has different categories of subscription services. Like, they do one for all glitters, one for only shadows, only blushes, only lips, all that good stuff. So, opening this up, first we get the business card, and behind you get the picture of a gorgeous girl. And here is kind of like the summary of the products that we're getting inside. This month we seem to only be getting 3 items. Ooh, I dropped one already. I apologize. The first item is a Blanche's Boudoir Mini Blush, a vibrant pink with a golden sparkle, or with golden sparkle undertones. I butchered that, I'm sorry. And if I have food under my nails, I was eating. Like, forgive me. So this is a very pretty blush. This is what the packaging looks like. And this says powdered blush, lip safe, not vegan, not eye safe. I like how it's very informative. Next eyeshadow that I see here is Thank You for Being a Friend. This cool toned silver and blue, white, and golden sparkle. Hoping I read that right. Very nice. And last but not least, we have on the Lanai eyeshadow, a yellow toned gold with copper green and yellow sparkle shift. This one looks very promising. They all do. And I'm going to go off camera and swatches, because it does take me a minute to do swatches. Another thing that I've noticed as I've been receiving these eyeshadows is that the best color payoff is to use it wet. So I feel that I can get the most vibrant swatches using them wet. So I will be spraying my hand and swatching them to give you guys the best swatches, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back, you guys, and I have the swatches here. Forgive me for my horrible swatching techniques. I need to get better at it. But here is the blush. The blush is very, very surprising to me, because it looks very vibrant in the jar, but it comes down more subtle on my hand. It is very pretty, and you can see the light sparkle in it, which I really like. And here are the shadows swatched wet on my arm. They are very pretty. This one is what? Thank You for Being a Friend down here. And on the Lanai is this one right here. They are really nice, very pigmented. Like I said, these work the best when used wet, and they are beautiful. I do enjoy this subscription. I just need to put the eyeshadows into more use, because I'm not comfortable with loose shadow yet. I definitely need to practice, but I will be getting better with time. And this month I really liked it. I think all of these colors are really pretty. I will get some use into them, and I really enjoyed it this month. So now let's go ahead and check out the next subscription service. I was gonna say box service. Like I said, you guys, I did already unbox these yesterday and try some of them on, so these items already are opened. The next subscription service that I have here, bear with me, the name is a little bit long. It is the Notoriously Morbid Vanishing Cabinet subscription service. This one retails for I could be wrong, I think $13 a month. I will list the actual price down below. And every month is themed as well. And this is my second month. I did receive last month's, which was July's, and it was Willy Wonka themed. And I really enjoyed it and I really liked it, and I was very pleasantly surprised. And every month that they send you, they always put like a little candy in there. And the little baggie that I got, I already ate the candy, as y'all know. And this is what the baggie looks like. And let me go ahead and read a little bit about this month. It always comes in a little paper like this. And here it says, August 2018 Vanishing Cabinet, sincerely yours. Welcome to the August 2018 Vanishing Cabinet. We are almost through 2018. Fall is quickly approaching. Pumpkin spice lattes are right around the corner, and school is back in session. We couldn't resist making the Breakfast Club. Oh, so it's Breakfast Club themed. So they've been planning this since 2013, and yeah, this is themed from the Breakfast Club. I didn't want to read the whole thing because it's pretty long, but this is what it is. And I'm going to show you guys the first item here, which is a lip gloss, a cosmic gloss, and the name of it is I'm Not That Pristine. I think they get like pickup lines from the actual movie. As you guys can see, I did already try this on. I am going to go ahead and just add a little bit to my lips just to give it some color. It smells like bubblegums, by the way. I love the smell. I love scented makeup. A lot of product comes out, so I don't want to like twist anymore, but this is the subtleness of the gloss. I really do like it. I did have a lipstick already on, so this I just topped it off with a little bit of this. Next we have here is a little lotion sample. It says sincerely yours, and now that I remember reading in the pamphlet, this is like a pumpkin spiced, like very fall scented lotion. I think the packaging is super cute. It smells amazing. Oh my god, let me take this out. It smells like Yankee Candle, like a candle you would find at Yankee Candle, and I love it. I love this. I think if I will look on their website, if I can find this in a full size, believe I'm gonna buy it. Next thing here, or actually the next things here, are 2 eyeshadows and 1 highlighter. I am gonna also swatch these off camera with a wet hand. Well, yeah, swatch them wet. The highlighter name is Being Bad Feels Pretty Good. It is a very cool toned highlighter, and this says vegan, not lip safe. Then we have When You Grow Up Your Heart Dies, and this one is vegan, not lip safe. This one is like a very deep burgundy. Last but not least, we have Sincerely Yours. Actually, wait, that's the theme, never mind. We have We're All Pretty Bizarre. This one is vegan and not lip safe. And it looks kind of like a nice golden taupe. So I'm gonna go off camera again, and I will be back with the swatches. Okay, you guys, I'm back with the swatches, and I apologize again because my swatching sucks, especially because the jars are so small and I cannot jam my nail in there. But here are the swatches of the 3 powders. Here on the far edge is the highlighter. Here is the taupey shade, which is personally my favorite. And here we have the darker shade, which is, the name of this one is When You Grow Up Your Heart Dies. The middle one is We're All Pretty Bizarre. And the one on the far right or left, I suck at this, is Being Bad Feels Pretty Good. The lighting does these swatches no justice. They are actually beautiful in person. The highlighter is blinding, and in camera it doesn't pick up as much as it does in person, but it is what it is. So this month for the Notoriously Morbid Vanishing Cabinet, I think it was really good. For my Glamour Doll eyes, I think it was great as well. I really do enjoy both subscription services. I will be keeping both just because I really do enjoy trying indie makeup, and so far they're killing it. They're giving us really good products. I will continue to receive them for the next following months until, you know, I decide not to, I guess. But so far, I really like everything I'm getting. And fall is coming up, so I feel like the themes for these fall subscription services are going to be like super good. And that concludes my video, you guys. I'd highly recommend both subscription services. They're both equally as good, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.